Hello friends! I am currently in the parking lot of the grocery store. So far today I have gone on a hike and then I had therapy. So very exciting times. Shout out to my therapist. I'm gonna go into the grocery store right now and get some stuff because I think I'm gonna make tomato soup and grilled cheese. As you can see, it's very gloomy outside and that just feels right. We'll see where the rest of the day takes us. Who knows, guys? I mean, truly, I feel like we're all not doing a whole lot these days. Everybody's in the same boat. So hopefully you guys still enjoy this and let's go inside. Got a mask up, of course. Got the first layer and we're ready to go. We got a new coffee table because this devil wanted to eat our last one, which we need to sell. Yes. But honestly, this looks better. Soph, or Wellness with Soph, if you know her on Instagram, just dropped me off this hat she made, which says, being hot is a state of mind. Little baby bottle of rosé, a little note that says happy early Valentine's Day, and then some little candies and chocolates. So cute. I'm pretty sure she's gonna be selling these, so if I can get the link, I will let you know. I'm gonna put it on. It might look terrible on me, but stay tuned. I take back what I said. I think it actually looks pretty cute. I put my hair up, and I'm kind of loving it. My room is starting to look so cute, you guys, minus the cords. I have a couple new additions, like this little vintage ashtray, which I got from this online vintage home goods store. It's run by this really cute girl. I'll link their Instagram and their site down below. I would definitely recommend following them on Instagram for updates. She drops new stuff like every week. I also got these little mushroom salt and pepper shakers from her. I don't think I'm gonna actually use them. I got this tissue box cover from We're Not Really Strangers. It says Cry Proudly, and it's very cute. I've been really at it with the knickknacks recently. I got this little mini, I mean, look at my hand for size, and I have pretty small hands, mini Betty Boop tea set. I mean, do you die? Like, it's literally made for ants. It's so cute. I got this on Depop. I just put some fresh flowers out, which make everything better. And then I got this little mushroom stool. I don't think it's gonna stay here, but it's here for right now. This is from General Admission. It is unfortunately sold out. I will, however, link this little baby mushroom nightlight I got from Amazon. And I still haven't hung my mirror because I don't own a drill. All right, friends, it is soup time. What you're gonna need for this, I might be missing things. If I am, I'll let you know. 1 whole onion, some garlic. I'm gonna add in some shallots because I have them and I love them. Some tomato paste. I'm just using what's left of this tube. I have some whole peeled tomatoes, basil and thyme. Normally I would put heavy cream, but I didn't want the dairy, so I'm putting coconut milk. I'll probably put some chili flakes. And for some reason, I felt like I wanted to put anchovy in it. You guys might think I'm absolutely crazy, but don't knock it till you try it. And then obviously like salt and pepper and all that jazz. Do we all know how to cut an onion here? I hope so at this point, okay? So, oh, I cut that. Me preaching about cutting an onion correctly and then just like not even cutting it down the middle. Like this part has no root on it, which is the whole purpose. So if I did this properly, both of these ends would have the root attached, but I fucked up. You cut off the tip over here, and here's what we're gonna do. You're going to slice this way, okay? Slice into it vertically. Just make as many little incisions as you so please. The root here is helping you keep the onion intact, okay? And then you're going to take your knife and you're going to go into the onion like this. Again, not all the way to the root because you want to keep the onion intact. All right, and then you're gonna go back and dice. It's a pretty nice, even dice. It's not a super fine dice, obviously. You could do it a little bit more meticulously and get a finer dice, but we're gonna end up blending our soup, so it's not that important to have a super fine dice. And my eyes are watering. You can cut a shallot the same way as an onion. It's magic. I'm using 6 cloves of garlic. That may be a little obnoxious, but you know, I love garlic, so. Here we have the Holy Trinity, or at least in my opinion, shallots, garlic, onion. Run, don't walk, to your nearest Trader Joe's and get this olive oil. It's seasonal and it is, I think, like $12 or $13 for this large bottle, which is really great, and it tastes like very expensive olive oil. I mean, look at that color. In you go. I added in a bunch of thyme, chili flakes, some pepper, some salt, and some oregano. And I think that's it. Oh, and you're steaming up. So sorry. I added tomato paste and 2 anchovies. All right, we've got some nice caramelization, so we're adding the tomatoes. Teaspoon of sugar. I added in 6 cups of water, turn the heat to high. We're gonna bring this to a boil, turn it down to a simmer, and let it sit for like 55 minutes. Classic soup stuff. All right, I added the coconut milk, and now we're just returning it to the heat for 10 more minutes. I'm taking a brief pause to thank our sponsor from today's video. I'm actually so excited about this one because it is my first technically like cookware, food, kitchen related sponsor. So thank you so much to Misen for sponsoring this video. I'm very familiar with their brand, and we actually used their cookware and their knives in the kitchen that I used to work in. So that's how you know they're good. They're like culinary grade stuff, and now I have it in my home. Today I'm using their 10-inch nonstick skillet. Misen started out by just making chef's knives, and then they expanded to making nonstick cookware. They sell premium kitchen tools at very affordable prices. This has a 3-layer nonstick coating. It has wonderful even heating. I mean, like I said before, I used to use these when I worked in a restaurant, so you know that they're legit. You can literally use this for everything. I've made pancakes in this, you can make eggs in this, you can make pasta in this, you can make grilled cheese in this, which I'm about to do right now. Misen's nonstick pans have been scientifically proven to outlast ones that cost double the price. So if you're in the market for a new nonstick skillet or a chef's knife, definitely check out Misen. I really do hope you guys go and buy things from Misen because I genuinely love their brand and I love their product, and you know I'm here to encourage you guys how to cook, and to do that you need the right tools. You know I wouldn't leave you guys hanging. I obviously have a discount for you, so go to misen.com/MaddieBragg and you can get 20% off your first order. That's misen.com/Maddie, M-A-D-D-I, Bragg, B-R-A-G-G, to get 20% off your first order. Just a little truffle powder.
Oh my god. God, you look at that non-stick.
already took a bite, not gonna lie. You must dip the sandwich in the soup. If you don't do that, ooh. Honestly, I was not having the best day, and that just made my day infinitely better. I finished dinner and then I cleaned up the kitchen, and now I am laying in bed because I'm in a little bit of a food coma. I also realized that I'm very dehydrated, so if you're watching this, don't forget to drink some water. I'm going to watch a little bit of Gossip Girl and like relax for a second, and then I'm gonna start editing this video. Also, wanted to tell you guys that I finally finished A Little Life. Can I get a round of applause? Obviously, like I said the last time I talked about this book, trigger warning, there is lots of depiction of abuse and sexual assault and drug use, suicide. So if you're gonna read it, just know and try to prepare yourself for that. Obviously, it's not a book for everybody, so I just wanna put that disclaimer out there, of course, but you know, if you feel like you are in the right state, I would so recommend it. It is definitely my favorite book that I've ever read. I forgot to end the vlog last night, so I'm gonna end it now. I just woke up, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this chill little vlog. This is what life looks like these days. I just want to say thank you for your continued support on all of my content. You guys keep me going and keep me excited for the future and excited to continue making videos for you. I just love this little community that I have here. Thank you guys for being so kind and supportive, and I just love you, and I love reading your comments. You guys are seriously so sweet. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and subscribe down below. It would mean a lot to me, and it lets me know that you guys like these videos. Thank you again for watching this video, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!